This is a brief video to show you how to install the app on your iPhone, and also a quick overview of what your clients can use the app for. First thing you want to do is either open up a browser. Safari is the default for an iPhone, and type in pwa.steppingouttravels.com, or what I'm going to do is use my camera and scan the QR code that is attached with this email. It's also on the website, and it's going to take me to steppingouttravels.com in Safari. And when I open it, the very first time, there's going to be a welcome screens which say get started, um, allow us to use your location, and join our app, and so on. Once you do that, you're going to be asked to log in. Um, I have a test client set up here that I'm going to put in. It's at joe at t.com. Password. The very first time you log in, it's going to suggest that you prompt you to add it to your home screen, which you really should do because it will give you a better view of the app. Plus, you can easily get back to it in the future. So you're going to go down on the bottom of your screen and tap on this share icon, and then scroll over a little bit and tap on add to home screen. Okay, at this point you can change the name if you want, but I'm just going to leave it stepping out, add it, and now it's on my home screen. Um, the first time you open this app up, again, after you put it on your home screen, you're going to get a loading page and it's going to ask you to log in again. Now, you will never have to log in again unless you either delete the app or intentionally log out. And I'll show you that. And I'll log in. Okay, so now I'm logged in, and you're going to see all the different tabs that are in the app, most of which are just replications of the website. I'm not going to go over that, but these ones here at the bottom in green, they're the ones that the clients see. Okay, and the client must be logged in, and I'm logged in as Joe Tester, so I can see the Joe Tester docs. Uh, Plus Saport directions and tip calculator, which may be useful while they're traveling. Okay, but if we look at the docs, I put in a couple of test ones. There's a payment authorization. This is one that the client would have created from the links in the agent portal. There's also a client itinerary that I created as a test, and you can either, you or the client can either increase the size, or what I like to do is just turn the phone sideways, and if you tap on here and say full width, looks a little easier. Now, this itinerary, when you're creating it, you don't have to do it all at one time. You can save it and go back to it, and then when you do create it and publish it, you will get an email with a link that allows you to go back and edit it. So let's say that the client changes his mind and wants to delete an entry or an event, a tour, or whatever you put in there, or add one. You can go back and edit this itinerary, and when you do, it will you will get an email saying that the itinerary has been updated, and also your client will get one, and the app will automatically be updated. Um, I think the other nice thing for a client to use are the travel documents. This is one that Donna sent me that she got from Travel Impressions. Now, all the other things in the client tab are from the forms that either you or the client fill out from the agent portal. The travel doc comes from the vendor. So if you want this to be in the client's tab, you have to send it to me to put it in. I think this is pretty cool. If the client, and this app will work anywhere in the world. Donna used it for Mexico, anywhere where the client has an internet connection, either Wi-Fi or data plan, and it works in areas of low conductivity. If you check with Donna, I don't think she had any problems using it in Mexico. So if the client needs to check something while they're there, all right. So they go and they to their purse and they dig out their hard copy that they printed out, or they open the app and they look at it. Whether or not you think these are good for the client, you can let me know. All right. That's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions, okay? Oh, let me show you one more thing. If I go out of here, okay, now the icon is on my home screen, so next week, tomorrow, whenever, you go to your phone, you open it up, and you're back in, and you're still logged in, because if you go up here to this little gear up in the top here, top right, and tap on that, you'll see that, well, I'm Joe Tester, but you'll see that you're still logged in. So you only have to log in the very first time you use the app, unless you intentionally log out or disconnect it. I think that's all. Let me know if this is helpful.